नमस्ते, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, good day. In this video, we are going to learn how to protect a sheet with a password. First of all, select this Excel sheet, right click, format cells. You will see this window on your screen. Go to protection. Then you will see that already it has been checked as locked. Now it should be locked. Uh, If it is not checked, then you should check it and then press OK. Now you can type anywhere anything, it is not logged for you. But for example, I press Kesh Kumar Jha and now I can edit it. Whatever Mukesh Kumar Jha, I can uh, delete it. I can add something in it. But if I protect this entire sheet with a password, then you cannot be able to edit anything in this sheet. For example, we go to review tab, select protect sheet and password, put a password, anything. It might be for one word password, two word password, whatever you want. I pressed a password, then re-enter your password. Now you can see that you cannot edit it. The cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected and therefore read only. So you cannot change it. You cannot change anywhere in this sheet anything because the sheets have been cells have been protected in this sheet. So no one can delete this. No one can insert anything. No one can hide and hide. No one can delete. You cannot delete even. And if you want to unprotect this sheet, then go to review, select unprotect sheet, press A, capital, this version password, and press O. Then you can edit it. You can see. Now I'm going to uh, show you something like there is a form name, age, sex. I have three things, and in this column I have to put name, age, and sex. But I don't want that this cell should be edited by somebody. But this cell should be edited after protecting with password. So just select these three cells, right click, format cells, go to protection, uncheck this lock button, press OK. Now these three cells are unprotected. Even after protecting with password, these three cells can be edited and no other cells can be edited. For example, I have unlocked it. You can see this is not checked, and now I protect the sheet with a password. Okay, so you cannot delete this, you cannot edit these all, but you can edit here. You can edit it. You can here type Malta. You can type here age. You can type here sex, whatever you want. But you cannot type in this cell. You cannot type in this cell. So this is the way you can protect your Excel sheet. Thank you. I hope that you will like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.